Hi students. In this particular video, I'm going to give you some tips which you are going to use in all the projects which we are going to do. Few simple tips which I would like to give you. When you open any of the picture, say, let's say you have opened this particular picture, any picture, let's say, and you want to zoom into it, then you have to on your if you have Windows laptop, you have to go to control and click on plus 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 to zoom, and control minus 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 for your zoom out, right? But if you have Apple, you have to click on command plus 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 and command minus minus for zoom out or zoom in. All right, so this is one of the tip. Second is, if you apply any change, let's say if you put any shape on it, let's say if I am going to draw any shape on it. Now if my shape is out of the picture, out of my canvas, you have to click on Control T to select this, and simply you can move this. The first tool over here is the move tool, you can see, and if you click on this or you click on Control T, yeah, so you can simply use this and resize it from here. Yeah, if you see, if I resize it like this, the shape is all gone, isn't it? For that, I'll just go to image and undo, and second I can go to this, apply changes, and go to edit and step back. This will give my step back. Now if I press shift, first of all I need to show transform controls, means it will show the borders from where I can resize. Now I have to click on shift and I can resize, but it will not change the shape of my picture, and then I can drag it, right? Now you can see two things over here, main things. One is you want to discard whatever you have done so far, till the time you have dragged in the shape and all that, that will be all wipe off, that will go away. And second is you want to apply the changes, yes. So the changes will be applied, and then you have to just click on uncheck this show transform control. So this is now your shape is in the picture, right? Uh, Now one more thing, um, yeah, so from edit you can always step back. Undo you can do only one time, but step back can be done as many times you want, and the shortcut is alt control z, so you can use this. And for stepping forward, if you by mistake you have clicked on step back, you can always go to step forward. All right, so this was one of the things. Second is, if you have used selection tools, somehow you want to select something, let's say, but now this will keep blinking like this until or unless you go to select again and click on deselect. So when you select, it will not go until you click on deselect. So these are few little you can say tips which you might forget or you need to use whenever you are doing any kind of editing. All right, so I can go and step back, edit, step back, edit, and step back. Keep on doing till the time my image is gone. Yeah, yes. So all you can do one more thing. If by mistake you have used something like this, you can always click on delete to delete this. That is a simple thing you can use. All right. So happy editing. Bye bye.